Cuisinart stainless steel programmable 14-cup kitchen appliance. One of the popular coffee makers from Cuisinart, this stainless steel kitchen appliance options many customizable options that provides it a leg up over the competition. Not solely will it permit you to decide on your brew strength, however it may be programmed up to 24 hours earlier than time, and it's a constitutional self-cleaning feature that takes the strain out of the descaling your machine. Plus, in-unit charcoal filters keep your water testing clean and recent. Black+Decker Brew and Go personal kitchen appliance with travel mug. Busy mornings? We have a tendency to hear you. If all you wish could be a basic, direct creature, which will quickly make a cup to urge you out the door, this is often a solid selection. It takes up token area on your tabletop too, creating it good for little kitchens. And since it isn't a pot machine, it produces less wash. Ninja coffee shop brewer with glass decanter and frother. Spending an excessive amount of cash at Starbucks? The Ninja Coffee Shop can provide you with the final word coffee shop expertise right at your room counter. You'll be able to select from pot-free single-serve or decanter functions, and you'll be able to even customize your cup size. The Ninja system conjointly permits you to pick out your brew folk, with choices starting from classic to mid or over ice. It conjointly options a milk frother. Therefore, you will be able to produce specialty drinks reception with ease. And there's even a thermal plate to stay your drinks hot.